For letter A, we have 2-methylbutane, pentane, and 2,2-dimethylpropane. Letter B, 3,3-dimethylheptane, nonane, and 2,2,4-trimethylhexane. So these are all sets now of isomers. Letter A is one set of isomers. Letter B is another set of isomers. So ang letter A, isomers ni of these are isomers of C5H12. Ang letter B are isomers of C9H20. Director Walag, as sige be, may I know unsa inyong answer for letter A?
Kuan sir, 2,2-dimethylpropane, 2-methylbutane, then pentane then sir.
Okay, for letter A, 2,2-dimethylpropane. Next, sorry, 2,2-methylbutane. Then pentane. Yeah, correct. So correct, thank you. Letter B. Sa inyong
Kuan
answer.
sir, 2,2,4-trimethylhexane,
Si
3,3-dimethyl.
trimethyl. Unsay sunod? Thessalonica.
Ay kuan sir, 3,3-dimethylheptane sir. Then nonane dayon sir.
Nonane diol. Okay. So 3,3 dimethyl heptane. Then nonane. Okay, correct. Thank you. Okay, any questions?
None so far sir.
None so far. Oh, ang next is, mga reactions na dahil. Uh, okay, sa ang taas ba ni? Alright, sige. Oo. Okay, sige. We will have this na lang on Thursday, kaning mga reactions of alkanes during our lab schedule. So again, no, sa Thursday afternoon laboratory schedule, present ang tanan. Okay. Kay mag-discuss ta ana, mag-lecture ta. Then ihatag na po na ako during that time ang procedure no sa next activity. Kung mag-submit mo sa katong mga submissions, ayaw ninyo po i-appeal pag-submit ng mga procedure kay i-keep ninyo to kay magamit na ninyo later on basi hindi sa pag-teach ninyo ipagtudlo mo. Who knows, 'di ba? Makatudlo mo og organic chemistry. So magamit ninyo tong mga procedure. Anyway, I hope nakasubmit na tanan sa lab activity sa katong mga submissions for laboratory, the pre-lab, the post-lab, and katong data sheets. Okay. So If there are no more questions, so mag-dismiss ta. Medyo early. Sige lang kay we have enough time man to sa next meeting Thursday. Right. Stay sa. Yeah, Fedes, Gail.
Good morning, sir. Nalang ko'y question about sa alkanes kanang kung
Mm-mm.
magpa-quiz ka ni sir, two quizzes nimo siya, sir. Kay more task, manggugay siya, sir.
Pwede ra isa kay paano siya? 3 hours nga quiz. Okay, okay ra. A quiz nga good for 3 hours kay i-schedule mo nato during our laboratory scheduled. Dali ra man pod siya. Kaya ra na gina ninyo. Medyo taas-taas bitaw gyud siya pero kaya ra na. Ana, practice daan og mga long mga test kay board exam biya kay kuan walay break. So karon pa lang mag-rehearsal na ta daan as for board exam. Sige bitaw. Unsa pa naay other concern?
Wala na, sir.
Wala na. Sige, so that's all. So you may now thank you everyone. Bye-bye. You can take your
Bye,
lunch na.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Hi,
Thank
sir.
you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Sir, thank you, sir.